Okay, so today we're going to discuss about biocatalysis or the chapter 4. So first of all, we just simply go to the introductions on what is the biocatalysis. Okay, our learning outcome is to state the properties of the enzyme and then discuss about the 6 classes of the enzymes, and then explain a little bit on the enzyme actions, and then discuss about the factor that affecting the enzyme reaction. Then only we enter the 4.2, which is the cofactor, and 4.3, which is the inhibitor. Okay, so in order to complete our discussion here, so you can actually refer to your notes, in the chapter 4. So this is actually the learning outcome that we're going to cover today. Okay, so first of all, what is the enzyme? Okay, what is enzyme? Enzyme, or another name of the enzyme, we call them as the biocatalysts. Okay, we call them as catalysts. Okay, biocatalysts, which refer to this is actually an organic molecule, or another way, it is a protein which able to speed up. Okay, when we define a thing as catalyst, we actually know that that particular substance is able to speed up what? Okay, able to speed up the rate. Okay, remember, speed up rate of reaction. Okay, so if today we are actually using a chemical substance, then this is actually referred as normal catalyst. If we are using the protein, then biocatalyst is actually an enzyme. So enzyme, more specifically, they speed up the rate of biological reaction. So biological reaction in general is called metabolism. Okay, so therefore, you also can define enzyme as the protein which able to speed up the rate of metabolism. Okay, how? By lowering the activation energy. So this is actually the definition give for the enzyme. Okay, so if you look at the enzyme normally they are globular protein. They have a specific shape. Okay, so if you look at the structures of enzyme, you're going to notice that they will going to have a globular shape or spherical shape, meaning that every single enzyme only capable to function when they are being folded into specific shape. And in the structures of an enzyme, they definitely have a location which enable them to actually bind with the substrate. And this particular site that enable them to bind with substrate is known as the active site. Okay, yeah, correct. It's known as the active site, which is here. Okay, so the specific shape of the protein or the enzyme is actually known as the conformation. Okay, the presence of the active site after they bind with substrate, how they actually able to speed up the rate of reaction is by lowering the activation energy. Is by lowering the activation energy. Okay, so by lowering the activation energy, the enzyme will able to speed up the rate of reaction. So how to lower, we're going to discuss it in our second video later on. So at the end of the catalytic reaction, they will always end up with the releasing of the products from the active site, the releasing of the product from the active site. So that's it for the basic definition of enzyme.